When your air conditioner quits, you know you need HVAC repair. But is it possible for your system to need replacement even when it seems to be working? The answer is yes, and higher energy bills could be what steers you toward HVAC replacement instead of HVAC repair. Old HVAC systems are less energy efficient, and as their components age, their energy consumption becomes even greater. Sometimes AC repair can take care of problem parts, but eventually, your system will consume so much power that AC repair just won't be enough. Compare your energy bills to previous years. If you see an increase, it's probably time to upgrade. As a top HVAC contractor, Romeo Air Conditioning can help you determine if it's time to start thinking about AC replacement instead of just repair. Give us a call today at 239-237-1518.